Hello, I'm Andrew from the Netherlands, and today I'm going to review the Harman Kardon AVR 245 and the DVD 37. And well, it's my third modern Harman Kardon receiver I test. Yeah, both my earlier Harman Kardons I tested, my conclusion was that they sounded very bad. But I get a lot of comments, yeah, you have to use a CD, no tuner, you have to use different speakers, you have to use different speaker wires, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now I use my Magnat 07 speakers, and these are very good speakers. I use the DVD, and today you will hear this CD. Let me show you from... This is my most favorite album ever. This CD really, it is from 1991, so it's a very old CD. It's 34 years old, but well, every month I have to spin this CD at least one time, really. And it sounds, normally this CD sounds very good, but today I will test especially because I know exactly how this CD have to sound. So. And today I will test it on this DVD player. So, because I use DVD in combination with this receiver, well, nobody can anymore comment that I don't use the good quality sound. Yeah. What I don't like of this receiver is that I needed 30 minutes and the booklet. Look at the booklet. It's very thick. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, this is a different language. Every stripe is a different language, and I needed the booklet for this thing. Normally, I don't need booklets. The Yamaha, I just put all the preset tuner stations and everything in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I knew the Yamaha receiver. The Yamaha receiver I tested 3 weeks ago, yeah? The 8.7 kilo, the very cheap Yamaha receiver, and I was very surprised by the good sound in stereo. And well, this is that was a 2010 receiver. This one is from 2007, so I'm curious how this sound will be. I already know how the sound is, yeah. So for me, it's not a surprise anymore. What is very strange of this thing is that when you play in stereo. That's why I needed the booklet. There is no stereo here. So surround off means stereo. This is the stereo settings from this receiver. Why they don't put just stereo? That's very strange. Very confusing. Yeah. What I really like from this thing, but all the Harman Kardons have this, is the blue lighted volume knob. What I don't like is that you have to use 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I don't like this blah 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 blah. I don't know why this guy do that, but I think it's very stupid. Okay, but also the Onkyos and the Yamahas have the same problem. What more can I tell you about this thing? Well, this thing have all the, in the back side it have all the connections you want, yeah, all the analog connections, all the video connections, HDMI. It have a iPad dock connection, and well, this is the remote control. Look at this. And the remote control from the DVD is this one. Okay? And I don't want to make this review too long, so I start with the tuner sound. Let me put the thing on tuner. Let me see. Tuner. Okay, listen to this tuner sound.
Een film, hè? Ja, een film, DVD van...
We dansen samen.
Australians see this as
fanguns. En die zijn dan zogenaamd.
Tweet me. Tweet us at BBC Radio 2. Tweet us at BBC Radio 2. Text 88291.
Wake up in the morning and your head feels towards the stars. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna sleep tonight?
You feel like you don't like no really close. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always. Would you criticize me? Would you follow every line on my tear-stained face? Put your hand on the heart that was cold as the day you would
Do a little time. 'Cause all of my kind.
Spreek je twee woorden, stil me praten.
Was dat de wethouder en eindigde met de islam. En er waren zo'n 105.
Well, this was tuner, the tuner section. I don't want to play the tuner too long. I'm gonna play the DVD. So today I will test this CD from Juan Luis Guerra, and for me this is really, believe me, this is my most favorite CD. My most favorite CD. I spin this thing minimum 1 time a month. I think 1 time a week I spin this CD. I have 2. I have one in my car. Yeah, I recorded this, so I have one in my car and I have one in my home. And minimum 1 time a week I spin this CD. Really beautiful CD. And well, he made many CDs, but this CD, all the other CDs I also have, but I've never spin them. The only CD I spin is this one, the 440 from 1991. Remember that. And even if you are not a Latin lover, this CD is a must-have CD, really. And Juan Luis, normally I spin salsa because I'm a salsa and bachata lover. But normally I spin salsa, yeah, in my video test. But this guy sings bachata and merengue. He is really very good in that. And well, it's now 34 years, this CD is 34 years old, but every Suriname party in the Netherlands, yeah, or in Suriname, they still spin his bachata and merengue songs. Really, this guy is so popular under us Suriname people, because if you ask a Dutch guy, do you know who is Juan Luis Guerra? Most of them, they don't know him, or, well, they never heard of the guy. But this guy scored top 40 hits in 1991. And it also was because my mother was a Latin music lover. Because of my mother, I started liking like this guy, because she was spinning this CD in 1991 non-stop every day. And because of my mother, I also bought this CD, and well, it's now still until today, it's still my most favorite CD. So, well, listen to this sound.
la cama. Me sube la bilirrubina, cuando te miro y no me miras. Tengo un corazón mutilado de esperanza y de razón, para tocar mi nariz en tu pecera y hacer burbujas y amor por donde quiera. Se embriaga de olvido si alguna vez fue amada o tiene amor escondido. Pero ay, 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 amor, yo soy satélite y tú eres mi sol, un universo de agua mineral.
Cubre con tus manos mi leche y un rayo de luz nos dibujará.
You heard it yourself. My final conclusion is that, like all other Harman kardons I earlier reviewed, I mean the modern Harman kardons, that the sound is very bad in stereo. If you want also stereo in your, well, your 7.1 or your 9.1, never buy a Harman kardon, because looks can very deceiving. The looks are fantastic, really fantastic, but it is really deceiving, because maybe in a 7.1 it will sound good, but in stereo the sound is very, very bad. And if you own a Harman kardon like this one or the other ones I earlier reviewed, well, maybe you not agree with me that this thing sounds bad. Maybe you think it is good sounding, but if you think that this one is good sounding, then you don't know what really good sound is, because in stereo this thing really is very bad. The instruments are very, well, it is just a muffled sound. It is the highs, the bass, the mids, everything, it's bad. And you can comment that maybe my speakers are not good, or that I don't know how to work with a receiver, or maybe the speaker cables are not good, but everything in this setup is okay. Everything except the receiver. Maybe the DVD is okay, I'm not sure. I didn't test the DVD with another amplifier, so I'm not sure about that. But the receiver is for 100% sure a very bad receiver. And the new price of this receiver was in 2007 and 2008 about 475 euro, and the CD was 200 euro new. So the complete set, this complete setup, was 675, 700 euro new. And for that money you just bought a very bad setup. And second hand, you can find them in the Netherlands, yes, in the Netherlands, for about 125, maximum 150 euro. And a lot of people think because they are looking very good, the brand Harman kardon is was a good brand in the past, but nowadays they make garbage, really good. This is garbage sound. I have amplifiers or receivers, analog receivers, 2x 7 watt, 2x 10 watt, what you can buy for 25, 30, 35 euro, yeah, which sounds much better than this modern receiver. And okay, it have everything. It even have an iPod connection dock. It have all the connections you want. It have HDMI. Yeah, it is beautiful looking. But the smaller Yamaha I earlier reviewed 3 weeks ago, the 8.7 Yamaha sounded much better than this Harman kardon. Well, this was my review from the this setup. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this review. Put those thumbs up if you did. For now I say bye bye.